In my, you're on mute. Sorry, I can't able to switch on my camera. My camera is not working. Sorry, guys. Okay. What about Evangeline? How are you, Evangeline?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So why you did not come for offline? Huh? Got bored, huh?
No.
That's you're not feeling well, huh?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So today onwards, we will be going to learn about GST. Am I right? Am I right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What and all you know regarding GST? Can you all tell me? If you know in Kannada also doesn't matter, guys. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿ. Huh?
It is a tax paying for goods and services, ma'am.
Okay. Then what else? ಏನೇನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು? Evangeline, for you also, what and all you know regarding tax, just tell me. When it is implemented in India, who implemented in India, and what is the benefit, and what is the purpose of this GST, and why we want GST? This will be your questions. Yeah, come on, guys. ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು? ಚಿನ್ಮಯ್, ಮೋನಿಶಾ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಹಾ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ. And Evangeline, you also can tell in English. In Telugu also you can tell.
There will be different types of taxes for each goods and services, ma'am.
Okay.
Like for traveling, it is like for taking goods out of the state, it is different tax.
Okay.
Taking international goods or taking international, it is different tax.
Okay.
And for local, it is different tax. But
Very
there will be percentage, ma'am.
Okay, slab rates we have. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Apart from that, very good, Monisha. Okay, Chinmay. You're on mute. I can't hear your voice. Sorry, Chinmay. No. Monisha and Chinmay can sit together, I guess.
Ma'am, there are 4 types of GST.
Okay.
CGST, SGST, IGST, GST.
Huh?
UTGS.
Okay, can you elaborate that GSTs, types of GSTs?
Central Goods and Service Tax.
Okay.
States Goods and Service Tax.
Okay.
Union Territory Goods and Service Tax.
Okay.
Integrated Goods and Service Tax.
Okay. So, if you are selling the goods and services between 2 states, means what is the GST you are going to pay?
Output.
Yeah, Evangeline, I'll give you nicely. That is your sales. Yeah, with GST. Okay, guys. Okay, let us learn each and every steps one by one, because 1 week you'll be having completely theory. Okay, so from next week onwards you'll be having a practical, means which we are going to
It's GST, ma'am.
between 2 states.
Intrastate.
Yes, IGST. Very
IGST.
good, very good, Monisha. Appreciate you. Okay, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. Fine. So now I'll be teaching one by one, step by steps. At the same time, I suggest you all to make a note of each and every point, okay? Because these are the things, if you go for any audit firms, or if you want to, in the future days, if you want to work in audit firms or any companies, means obviously these are the stuffings they will be asking in the interviews, as well as in if you're specifically, if you go for any IT sectors, means actually they'll ask this kind of questions, okay? So you should be aware of this thing. So that's the sake I'll be explaining now. So please make a note of each and every point, okay? Is that okay? Fine, let me share
Yes,
my
ma'am.
screen. Okay, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, first now let us go with the GST. GST full form is nothing that goods and services tax. Okay, if you want, you can make a note. Goods and services tax. Since you guys are already, you have learned the basic stuffings of GST in the PAT itself. I think for the PAT, what I only have taken, right? Do you all remember the GST related things?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then if I ask the question, means why you guys are can't able to answer? Already I have taught you all the what and all the difference between the direct tax as well as indirect tax, as well as who introduced in India, as well as we have types of GSTs, as well as varieties of things we have taught you all. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You guys, you did not make a note of those kind of things? Huh? Whether you have made or not.
I made, ma'am.
But please remember, guys, these are the basic important things. Please don't forget that. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us go with the one by one. Okay, fine. What was GST before? Okay, so first GST, how it was that? So you can see that. So we have one tax. So there we used to we used to pay excise duty, as well as CST, cost of goods. Based on that, we used to give, as well as VAT system we had, and we had a octree. Octree is nothing that if you are shifting from one place to another place, for that also we have to pay the tax. Am I right? This shipping things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, and also we had a local tax for each and everything. So the small petty shops and all, means obviously if it is there, means so we have to pay the local tax. So, and also we had a entry tax. So as well as we have a luxury tax. So for each and every types of things, we used to pay the tax. So that was we had in the past, before 2017, we used to follow the VAT system. Are you all aware of the VAT system? Hello?
No,
It's
ma'am.
variable tax.
Huh? Value added tax. Yes. So that is what the thing. So which you can see that excise duty means what? Excise tax. CST is nothing that central sales tax. Please make a note. CST is nothing that central sales tax. Okay, fine. So excise means it's nothing that, so we used to pay the tax based on a specific goods and services, which will be like a manufacturing purpose or any sales purpose. So or any customer duties based on the things. So it will be like a indirect tax. Okay. So already you'll be knowing that. So GST is a indirect tax. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here the thing, what will happen means in the excise duty, the one who producer, or a manufacturer or a seller, okay, who pays the tax, but they won't be like they won't be passing the cost on the payment itself. Like if just take it as an example, I'll be the manufacturer and I'll be the seller. Okay, so as well as I'll be selling for the wholesaler also, I'll be selling for the retailer also. But for behalf of each and everyone's, I'll be going to pay for each and everything based on certain product. Okay, so this is what the excise duty. So excise duty is nothing that, so indirectly the producer or a seller pays the tax but passes the cost on to the final consumer. Did you all make a note?
One second.
I can say in simple word, it's a type of a tax where they're going to charge on the goods produced within the country. Okay, this is the excise duties. That is nothing that. So if you produce any goods or services from the within the country means, so this excise duty will be applicable. One example is it's for the productions or a sale of goods. Understood? Hello, online.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So this is what the thing. First, we had a VAT system. VAT system is nothing that. So tax on tax. Have you ever heard about the VAT system? Hello, guys. Have you ever heard about the VAT system? I think we had in degree, according to my knowledge. Hmm? Hello, forgotten. Huh? Okay, fine. So before that, let me explain this. Okay, so central sales tax. So means if you're selling any kind of things, means obviously we know CGST. So first we had these things. So central sales tax, which contains, if you're doing the selling means obviously we have to pay the tax for the government. So for the central government. So that is what the things we used to follow. VAT system is nothing but tax on tax. Let me take it as an example. Before 2002, we had a VAT system. So till 2017, we had this VAT system. It was introduced in 2002. Okay. So, and what is the purpose of that means? So first, before that 2002, we had a, what is that? ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ನೆನ್ಪಿದೆಯೇನ್ರೋ? ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಮೋನಿಶಾ, ಜಮೀನ್ದಾರಿ ಪದ್ಧತಿನ ಇಲ್ಲ, something we had. So we has to give some like if you have grown any grains or anything means we have to provide half of that, as well as if we manufactured anything means we have to give half of that. So that is what we had. So in the olden days, so we had one word for that. So do you all remember that?
Tax collector.
No, no.
Agriculture tax, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. The British people used to collect that. Something paddhati. So they will be fixing. I can give one example for you. So in the olden days and all, so like British peoples, they used to collect. So they used to tell that 10% from your what and all you have manufactured, or if you did not manufacture also, you have to provide. That will be going to fixed. So if you don't have, or if you have also, you have to provide. That is what the thing. So or else they used to give the punishment. Did you all recall that we had a history? In the history, we had these concepts.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is some word for that, right? Can you remember that? For collecting a tax, we had one word.
Ma'am, actually in our Bible, Christians, in
Ah.
Bible, it's called as tax collector, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. But according to history, we have something. Chinmay and Monisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you all remember that Paddati?
But that word, we are not able to recall.
Recall. But you guys understood, right?
Yes, ma'am, we understood.
Chinmay, what about you? ಜಮೀನ್ದಾರಿ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೇನದು ನೆನಪಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೊ ನಾ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ tax on tax, cascading system. Cascading system is nothing that, just take it as an example, you'll be the manufacturer. So you'll be going to sell for the wholesaler. So already you guys already have paid the tax to the government. So when it comes the same product to the wholesaler, he is also going to add some what is like he will be going to fix some amount for that particular product and some alteration if you want to he will make, and again he'll be selling. So before that what he is to do is to pay the tax. So that is what the thing will happen. Okay. And when it comes to for retailer, okay, retailer is the same thing. So he is also has East also should pay the tax for the government. So one thing, so while selling the goods, by default, the manufacturer will be collecting the amount, what and all he has paid the tax, he will be collecting from the wholesaler. But wholesaler at the same time, what and all he paid for the government, that also will be going to include, and again he is to like he'll be collecting from the retailer. So retailer also same thing he'll do for the from the customer. Okay, that is what the thing. So only not a manufacturer going to pay the tax. So here wholesaler also should be pay the tax, as well as retailer also should pay the tax, as well as the last the seller or a customers one who are purchasing. So each and everyone has to pay the tax. So that is what the system we had in the previously. Okay, so tax on tax. So for one product, they will be paying 3 to 4 times tax. So if that is the case, means it will be difficult for the products based on if you're purchasing. Am I right? So just take it as example, if you purchase one pen, so I'll be going to manufacture one pen. So I'll be having to manufacture that one pen. I already have cost 5 rupees of for the manufacturing related things, as well as tax I'll be taking as a 2 rupees. So total it will be 5, 6, 7 rupees, and 3 rupees will be shipping and other stuffings. So for packing and other things, I'll be going to add 3 rupees. So total it will cost for 10 rupees. Okay, just take it as example, 10 rupees. So now I'll be collecting. So after adding my profit, okay, so it will become 12 rupees. Okay, so now the total, the 10 rupees will be 12 rupees. So after adding my profit, okay, so now I'll be selling that product to wholesaler. Wholesaler, what he will do means he will purchase for 12 rupees, and he will add his own profit, as well as he will pay the tax for the government. That also he'll be going to add, and he'll be selling that product, same product. So after that, if he had 2 rupees means it will become 14, and if he pays 1 rupees tax means it will be 15 rupees. So after he sell that same product for the retailer means, so what will be the thing will happen? The same thing, he is also should pay some of the, like he is also going to have his profit, plus he is also going to pay the tax. Just take it as an example, his profit will be 2 rupees. So again, 15, 16, 17 rupees, and tax will be 1 rupees, 18 rupees. So total after that, so you'll be going to sell for the customer. So customer has to pay how much now? At last. Hello, am I audible?
16 rupees, ma'am.
No, retailer is added 2 rupees his profit plus 1 rupees GST. 15, 16, 17, 18. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is what the thing is to happen. For 10 rupees pen or a 12 rupees pen, so they is to, after collecting, after adding, keep on adding a tax on tax, then it will become a more amount. Am I right? That is the thing we used to follow in previously. So to avoid these kind of stuffings, so Modi ji introduced in 2017 on June 1st the GST system in India. Okay, please make a note. In 2017, July 1st, is introduced the GST in India. So it will be contains of indirect tax. We won't be paying directly, guys. Why means, so if you go for any hotel means, obviously if you purchase things means, can you be able to see that? So you'll be like whether they'll ask the permission with you. So whether can I put in the bill, can I put GST amount also? Whether they'll ask.
No, ma'am.
No, by default they'll be going to put, because since they are manufacturing the products or they are selling means they have to put. It's compulsory. So that's the say. So here after introducing the GST system, so there is no need of paying again and again. Okay, manufacturer will be going to pay as well as the rest of the things. One sec, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. Come back. Okay, so that is what the thing has happened after introducing the GST. So now the manufacturer will be going to pay the GST for that particular product, and the same thing wholesaler won't be paying a tax for the government, and retailer also won't. The same thing will be carried out from the wholesaler to retailer to customer. If they want, they can add that profit, but each person is not able to pay the taxes. Okay, but the thing is, here you can see that always the output minus input. Am I right? Set of entry. Already, since you guys are already
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done the tally, you'll be
Yes.
understanding this. Yes. Always the output minus input. So if I am manufacturing means I'll be the output and customer will be the input. Am I right? Or a wholesaler will be the input. So they will be going to provide me back. So then I can claim. So that is what the thing will happen. So here only the manufacturer will be going to pay the tax, but they won't, each and every person won't be paying a tax. Behalf of the customers, behalf of the wholesaler and retailer, the manufacturer will be going to pay for the government tax, and he will be collecting from the customers. Okay, that is what the thing will happen. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what a VAT system. So the next you can come for the octroi. So octroi is nothing that, so if you're shifting, like if you're exporting the goods and services or importing means obviously, so from one state to another state or one country to another country, so usually it will take place in the one state to another state. So if that is a system means we'll be having a IGST. So in that situations we have to pay the tax based on the shipping also. Okay. So that is one tax, and local tax, which you will be every day you'll be feeling that. So if you go for any restaurants or any kind of things means, so particularly if you go for anywhere means you'll be getting this a local tax. So the next entry tax, if you go for any, just take it as an example. If you go for particularly for the movie, that is come for the entertainment. So entry tax I can say for any botanical gardens and other stuff is. So have you aware of that parks, rose gardens, as well as we have a varieties of gardens. Am I right? Lal Bagh, in Karnataka we have Lal Bagh. So if you go means whether they'll provide freely, whether they'll agree to go inside freely.
Cricket stadium.
Huh?
Cricket stadium entry.
That is also. example for this. So we have to pay the tax for that also. So that is what the thing. And luxury tax will be gold or diamonds as well as platinums. Based on that, we have a luxury tax, as well as entertainment tax is nothing that for the if you're going for any malls or any movies kind of things, as well as if you're providing any entertainment for any persons, it can be apart from that movie, what we can give for the entertainment. Hello.
Ma'am, for nowadays concerts,
Hmm?
concert,
Okay, concept.
DJ nights,
Yes, DJ, very good.
college.
Okay. And also we'll be having in Mysore and all we'll be having festivals. Yuva Sambrama, Yuva Dasra,
Yes, ma'am.
and also Jambu Savari. Not Jambu Savari. What is that? Jambu Circus. Circus. Then they'll entertain us, right? So for those kind of stuffings also we'll be paying the entertainment tax. So this is what the things we had in the before. What was GST before? So this is what the thing we had. So now we'll be paying for each and everything regarding based on the products as well as based on the slab rates. Okay. So now we have a case study based on that. So you can see that Raj from Thrissur, Kerala sells coir to Kumar from Ernakulam, Kerala. What type of tax will be applicable in this case? So you guys can tell me.
IGST.
Uh, See the question carefully and just say the answer.
Within the statement.
So they have given the option. You can tell me, guys. IGST, CGST plus SGST, only CGST, and only SGST.
B, ma'am. B.
Very good. It will be CGST and SGST. Why? Because means Thrissur is in Kerala only. Ernakulam is also in Kerala only. Within the state means obviously it will be CGST and SGST. If it is a interstate means between two states means obviously it will be IGST. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Don't be confused. Okay, you can see that. So they have given the explanation. When a seller or a buyer are located within the same state, it is considered as a interstate supply. And in this case, CGST, Central Goods and Services Tax, and STSC, State Goods and Services Tax, will be applicable. Therefore, the correct answer will be option B, CGST and STST. Understood? Any doubts for anyone? Hello?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
fine. So let us go for the next one. Raju from Bengaluru, Karnataka sells goods to Mohan in Kerala. What types of tax will be applicable in this case?
IGST.
IGST.
Yes. Option C will be the correct answer. I'll raise my hand. Yes, very good, Chinman. Okay, option C, that is the IGST, Integrated Goods and Services. Here you can see that explanation when the sales, when a seller or a buyer are located in the different states, it is considered as an interstate supply. In this case, the state tax applicable is IGST, Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Therefore, the correct answer will be option C, that is the IGST. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us go for the next one. Okay, GST mechanism. So already I have explained these kind of things. Am I right? So the same thing you can see here, manufacturer. So manufacturer will be like a taxable value will be 1,000 and profit at 10% you'll be going to have, and taxable value will be 11,000 based on the product, and GST will be 18%, 9%, 9% they have already they have bifurcated, and selling price will be 12,980. Okay, so this is what the thing. And output tax liability to government. Output tax means you will be going to pay the tax for the government. How much you will be going to pay? Hello? Hello, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you'll be going to pay tax for the government 1,980.
No.
So, Monisha,
1,980. I
Ah.
went to Kerala.
okay. Wholesale dealer. So as well as so here wholesaler dealer will be purchasing from the manufacturer. So for what is the cost? Taxable value?
11,000.
11,000 will be the
11,000.
yes taxable value. The profit is added is 1,100 rupees and taxable value after adding this. So you'll be getting 12,100 will be the taxable value. So GST is implemented based on your taxable value bifurcated to. So you can see 1,089, 1,089. Okay. So next sales price. So here you can see that output tax liability to government. So who will be paying behalf of the manufacturer? Hello?
Government.
Government pay ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ?
Wholesaler.
Wholesaler. Okay, come back. Okay, here you can see output tax liability to government. So after adding the both the taxes, you'll be getting 2,178 rupees. So and also previously we have paid for the manufacturer 1,980 after everything. So based on your total amount, you're going to do the calculation, guys. Okay, don't forget that based on the total amount. So purchasing price based on that, you'll be going to add the amount. Okay, you can see that the taxable amount based on this. So you're going to add your profit and the total taxable will be 12,000. So based on this, you'll be going to do 18% GST. So you'll be getting this amount. And after that, if you had these two taxable amount means you'll be getting this is the total one. So 2,178. So you're going to minus with that. And what is the GST payment you are going to do? Total GST amount. So that is 198. So you're going to pay 198 rupees for the government. Okay. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, the total invoice value will be 14,000. Here you can see that how much he has increased for himself. So 10% he is made a hike. So he is now, you will be seeing that 14,278 will be his profit. Next, when it comes to retailer, you can see that same thing. So after getting, after done by these things, so you'll be purchasing for 12,100 based on the taxable value. You'll be purchasing, and he will also going to add 10%. You can see how much? 12,110, right? 1,210 rupees he will be going to add for his profit, and taxable value will be 13,310, and GST based on the total taxable value will be going to calculate 18%, and you will be getting 1,198, 1,198, and from if you had this both means you'll be getting this 2,396, and you're going to minus with your from from the wholesaler what is the tax he has paid. So based on that you're going to minus and you'll be getting a 218. So this is the what the taxable GST taxable amount, and 15,705.80 rupees will be the sale price. Understood? Hello?
Yes,
He
ma'am.
will be going to collect. So sale price means it's nothing that they will be going to sell. Okay. So after adding GST and all, he will be going to sell for the customer. For how much rupees? 15,705.88. Did everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want, you can take a snapshot of this and afterwards go through this. So it's a simple task. So this is what the GST mechanism. Okay, this is what the structure will be followed in the each and every manufacturing business. Okay.
Ma'am, explain wholesale Dealer, ma'am.
Wholesaler, you'll be getting a, what is the selling purchase price? You have purchased for 11,000 from the manufacturer, and profit you'll be going to add 1,100 taxable value. So after adding these two means you'll be getting 12,100. Based on this 12,100, you'll be doing 18%. So then you'll be getting CGST, SGST amount. So if you add these two means you'll be getting 2,178, and you'll be going to minus, always output minus input. Am I right? So you'll be going to minus output amount, you are going to minus with the input minus, you'll be getting 198. So this will be your GST payment amount. So total, what is the thing will happen? 14,278 after everything. So if you just do the calculation based on 12,000 plus 1,089, 1,089, how much you'll be getting? Hello? At the same time, if you want, you can calculate, guys. ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ? And also, I just wanted to tell you all, the GST part and all, it's very much huge, as well as it's completely theory. You'll be getting bored, guys. So, but please make it bit fast, and please do understand, okay?
Mike.
Am I audible?
Manisha ma'am, can you
Yes,
admit
ma'am.
this? Hema ma'am it is. Okay, Hema ma'am, can you admit Shweta?
Who is this?
Hello.
Hello?
You're in which class?
Somebody is there. Somebody is telling something. Yes.
This is Aditya.
Yes, Aditya.
It's okay to tell Manisha to admit Shweta to her class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.
Class. Sorry. She's admin. Creating of any. Let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come back, guys. Okay, where were we? ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
Ma'am, answer is 14,278.
Yes, that is what a sales price. Now understood? Now I'll be collecting, I'll be selling what is the product I have for 14,278. I'll be collecting from retailer. Understood? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what the thing. So somebody. Anyone have any doubts? Okay, fine. Let us go for the next. So here you have a case study. So ABC limit, yes?
But the purchase rate is different, right, ma'am?
Yeah, purchase rate will be
For
different.
retailer.
Yes, retailer for purchase price will be different because the taxable value. Only they will be collecting taxable value. But the thing what will happen means here they have given 12,100, the taxable value after adding his profit. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is what the thing will happen. But usually most of the time they will be concentrating this amount, guys. Because already they used to pay the tax also, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am,
this is the
understood.
tax amount which they will be going to pay for the
Manufacturer.
Okay. So from the retailers, they will be how much they will be going to give for the manufacturer, or one who are paid. Just take it as an example. Here, manufacturer will be already, he has paid 1,980 rupees. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
year
ma'am.
after you, if you get that product means you'll be getting, so the same product you'll be having, because since you guys already you have added a profit here. Am I right? 10% means 1,100 you have added. So you'll be see, you can see that output tax. So your output tax. So you have to collect from next person. Am I right? Output is you are going to receive. Input means they're going to pay. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what the thing. Here output tax will be 2,178 rupees, and here will be going to minus with what you have already you have paid for the manufacturer. Okay. So what you have like still you did not paid. So this is what the thing. So you're going to minus with the output minus input. So you already have you wanted to sell that product means, so the taxable value will be increased because you are already have added 10% profit here. 2,178 will be your taxable amount. You have to pay the tax. But so behalf of you, since it's not a VAT system, the tax is already paid by the manufacturer. What you are going to do means you will be going to minus with your output amount with your manufacturer output
Tax.
amount, and you will be getting 1,980. 98. Am I right? So this will be you're going to collect with the next person. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes. So that is how it will work. Any doubts for anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's go with the case study. ABC Limited is manufacturing company based on. You can do one more thing, guys. So if you want me, like if you guys want in Kannada also, just you can just take a screenshot of this and you can put in the chat GPT and you can get a brief explanation for this. Okay, in depth with the example and other stuff which they'll give. Is that okay? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So you just take a screenshot of this and you can just put in chat GPT, use the chat GPT, and you can just go ahead with that one by one. They'll say each and every point in depth. So that is what the thing will happen. Okay, fine. Let us go for the next one. That is a ABC Limited is manufacturing a company based in Mumbai. Okay, company is manufacturing company. It is in based on Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay. So they have recently expanded their business and are now selling their products to customer across India. The company has received orders from the customer based on Chennai. So they are from Mumbai and they have received from Chennai and Tamil Nadu. The order for the 1,000 units of their products, they have ordered 1,000 units. Okay, and price at rupees 1,000 each for each product it will cost. So they have ordered 100,000 units, and for each particular individual items it will cost 1,000 rupees. The GST rate will be 18%. The company wants to know GST implications on this transaction from you. What you will be going to apply the tax in this case, and how much will be the total GST payable. So just analyze and just tell me the answer for this. Just make it quick, guys.
Interest rate, ma'am. IGST.
Okay, trust it. And also you have to tell the total GST payable also. Make it fast. Tell me. Hello. Hmm?
Hello, ma'am. It's IGST.
IGST. Okay, amount. Just tell me the amount.
1,80,000.
Huh?
1,80,000.
1,80,000. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good. So you can see this is given the case study. Since the seller and the buyer are located in the different state, the applicable tax will be IGST. The total GST payable will be calculated as a 18% of the transactions value. That is IGST payable 10 lakh into 18%, it will be how much you're going to pay? 1,80,000.
80,000.
Very good, Chinmay. And what about others? You guys did not try?
From tax.
What? Okay, fine. Let us continue with the next. Okay, here they have given the advantages of tax GST. So you can see one by one, that is removal of cascading effects from the taxes. I have explained you all. And unified compliance produces across the countries, like a one tax for one nation. Am I right? So I think we have explained this. One tax, one nation slogan regarding GST. Am I right? So we have a slab rates. Based on the slab rate, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, so 40%. So these are the slab rate which we have. So based on that, you're going to follow same, like if they are in Karnataka for mobile, they are charging 18%. 18% means, so in Maharashtra also they have to charge only 18%. So there won't be any changes. Understood? So that is the uniformity will be there across the world, across the country, and faster movements of the goods across the country. So they can quickly they can send, because so sometimes if you're using cascading system means, so we have to pay tax on tax, and it will be more. As well as if it is reached for that particular country means, we have to follow the other state procedures and structures, and what is the tax they are collecting. So everything we have to follow and we have to give. So that is what the thing we is to follow. So now if you have only one tax for one nation means, we can reduce all the kind of other taxes which they will be collecting. Am I right? So that is what the thing, fastest movement will be there. No manual channel, 100% digital compliance. So because if you are dealing with the GST means, obviously for filing purpose, or if you want to deliver any goods and services means, we'll be preparing a delivery channel and eBay bills. So these are the things will be there. So everything will be in the digital manner. So manually, if you prepare this, obviously sometimes we'll be making a mistakes. So if it is digital means, obviously it will be correct and it will be verified with the higher authorities, plus the GST portal from the country. We have a different portal. I'll be showing in the future days. So that is what. So based on that, you can just prepare. So there won't be any kind of manipulation can happen here in this stage. Okay. And single returns or a manufacturing, trading, or a services provisions. Already I have told you all that there will be only single returns can be for the manufacturing, or if you're trading means, obviously, or if you're providing any sales services means, so there will be only single returns. There won't be any multiple returns, like returning again and again. Means returns is nothing that giving back. No, it is not a giving back. Return filing, like if you are manufacturing filing a GST for the particular goods means, it is done with that. Okay. So again, no need of doing with somebody, like manufacture is done means, the wholesaler no need of preparing that particular things. So, and as well as if he converted that goods into finished goods means, he can go ahead with that. Or if he did not means, obviously he can go ahead with the only input tax. Okay, he can pay the input tax what and all based on the product, which I already have showed you in the diagram. The same thing, as well as seamless input credit challenge. So here, if you are paid, obviously manufacturer will be on behalf of us, he'll be paying a tax. So, but I'll be collecting as a manufacturer, I'll be collecting from the wholesaler, retailers, as well. From the wholesaler, I'll be going to collect. And wholesaler, what he will be going to do, he'll be collecting from the retailer, and retailer, what he will be going to do, he'll collect from the customer. So that is how we are going to, each and everyone have a rights and duty, and it's compulsory to pay the tax. So each and everyone now they have paid. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So now each and everyone has paid. So it's compulsory, because it's an individual tax. Each and everyone compulsorily they have to pay. So that's the say, indirectly it will be collected and it will be credited. Like if I am paid means, I'll be credited. So some percentage of amount will be deducted from my particular products, but rest of the amount I can claim from the customers, wholesaler, retailers, and other stuffs. Okay. So here we had a best example. So here you can see 1,980 is the manufacturer is paid, but after input, output minus input, now the wholesaler, how much they will be going to pay based on the product? Will be going to pay 198, and also when it comes to retailer, you can see that 218 he will be going to pay for the wholesaler. So that is what. So behalf of us, the manufacturer is already he has paid. He has paid, but the thing, so you'll be going to keep on collecting from one by one. So that is what the thing will happen. Understood, guys? So let us go with the next one. Are you all clear about the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Fine. So fine, let us go for the next one. So that is, we have a HSN and SSC code in GST. So if you want, you can take a snapshot of this. Already we have gone through this, I guess. So what do you mean by HSN and SSC code? What do you mean by HSN and SSC code? Okay, so HSN code will be provided. So let me explain the HSN code. So HSN is nothing that stands for Harmonized Systems of Nomenclature, and SSC code will be a stands for Service Accounting Code. If you're doing a services, like it can be a transferring goods from one state to another state or one place to another place, that is also services. And if you're providing any educational related services, if you're providing any professional charges, as well as if you're providing rental things, and if you're providing a salary, so these and all will be considered as a services. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what the service is. Okay. So and HSN means it's a harmonized system of nomenclature based on the goods. So goods will be putting HSN, will be using HSN code, and when it comes to services, we'll be using SEC code. Okay. So here you can see that these codes are used to classify the services for better measurement taxations, and recognizing of services. It is to clarify the goods from overall the world, all over the world in the systematic and logical manner. So let me explain one by one here. Okay. So here you can see that we have varieties of codes. So HSN code stands for 6213, 19, 10, 10. So here let me go with the one by one. So 62, according to Article 62, you can see the first two digits indicates the chapter under HSN codes. So which article it belongs to, and like it can be clothing or accessories, means you'll be using 62. Keep in your mind which you're going to use.
62.
62. When everything like a clothing or accessories, means you'll be using starting words as a 62. Okay. So there will be it indicates 62 will be the for these kind of things. So next will be the 13. Code will be article code will be 13. Here the next two digits indicates the headings under the chapter, headings for the handkerchief. So if you're used any handkerchiefs or any kind of things, if you're manufacturing, means you'll be using as your code starts with the which
13.
13. Okay. When it comes to 19, the next two digits will be indicates a sub-heading 6 digits. 6 digits. Okay. It is 6 digits. So here and all 4 digits will come. Here when it comes here, you can see 6 digits. HSN code is accepted worldwide. Okay. If you are producing worldwide, if you want to transfer the goods and services, means you'll be using 6 digits. Within the country, means you'll be using 4 digits. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you can see product code for handkerchief. Okay. So handkerchief will be for the, here they have given the example. Okay. So handkerchief for that kind of things, you'll be using 90. So it will start with the 901620. So this is kind of things. Here, if you come with the 4 digits, so where you'll be seeing 62 12, or when it is come here, you'll be taking as a 1342. So this is how, because for each and every, if you have a course, means we can easily configure that which type of product is this. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is worldwide, means obviously you can sell for worldwide. So in that situation, if you put 90, means obviously if it is start 901236, means you can easily analyze that it is a worldwide available, and you can sell for, you can export also, you can do the import also. That is what the thing will be contains in 90. When it comes to 10, the next 2 digits will be subclassify the product stuffs headings during the import and export supply, as already the same thing. But the thing is, here worldwide it's available. Here if you go for the export and import supplies, we will be using, if you are transferring goods from one state to another state, obviously you'll be knowing this, we'll be getting the Chinese products from the China. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mobiles and other varieties of stuffings we have, so they will be using this 10. So, and if you are exporting, means, so obviously you'll be using 10, and if they're exporting, means they'll be using 10, because so in that situation we can easily analyze that this is a exported items or a imported items. Okay. And when it comes to 90, means it's worldwide available, and I can say the best example as a KFC. Am I right? And
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ಓ, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಆಪಲ್ ಫೋನ್, ಆಪಲ್ ಐಫೋನ್ ಅದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕಾರ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ಏನೇನು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಗುಡ್ಸ್?
McDonald's.
Okay. Yes. So in that situations and all, they will be using this codes. Okay. Please keep in your mind these are the codes. So in your future days, if you go for any manufacturing departments, means you have to keep these other stuff. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next, when it comes to SAC code, so we'll be having, they have bifurcated into 3 article things. So one is 99, one is 82 and 13. You can see that 99, which indicates the first 2 digits are the same for all the SAC code. So as we already told you that, so if you're following the 99, means obviously, so it will be common services. Common services means if you're transferring goods from one state to another state, so or if you're providing any services, health services, or whatever the services, if you're providing road services, these are the stuffings will be there. So if you have any providing any services, means you can go ahead with the common services. So which it starts with the 99. So professional services will be going to pay based on that. So any services regarding things, any idea? Hello. Hello, ಮಾತಾಡ್ರು.
Ma'am, homemade businesses.
Yes, homemade businesses as well as hotels.
Yes, ma'am.
They will be what supplying, right? For you.
Like from home itself, like
Huh?
for me show, they
That
will
is
be
also, yes, very
starting
good.
business.
Okay.
And
Very
nowadays accessories also, ma'am.
Very good.
Like separate business they'll keep, and they
Yeah.
will open their own this one app.
Yes. Yeah. So very good, Monisham. So you have said correctly. And like when it comes to manufacturing department, also will be having varieties of services which they will be providing. Am I right? So buy one get one services, and sometimes, so there also if you go for any kind of DMart and all, means there also they'll be providing the services. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that situation, you can go ahead with the 99 common services and legal services. One second, guys. Okay, fine. Come back. So legal services, here you can see the middle two digits. Here it won't start with the starting itself. The middle two digits will be 82. SSC code represent the main nature of services. Main nature of services, legal services. What at all the legal services you'll be getting? Hello guys, legal services. Am I audible?
Post, ma'am.
Yes, very good post.
Firefighters.
Yes, very good. Firefighters as well as astronaut.
Deliveries they do, right, ma'am?
Yes,
They are also legal services.
yes.
Amazon,
Amazon,
Flipkart.
Flipkart. That will come under the common services.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Apart from that, so I can give the example as a professional advisor, counsel and all they give, right? So with the free of cost and all. Counseling.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So and sometimes if you go for any kind of like any kind of property related things, if you have a dealing with means obviously document preparation and all they'll help.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the things which will be like these are the things will be call it as a legal services. Any doubts? And also lawyers. So we'll be having lawyers will be going to help for us for the legal things. Anything is happened for our things means. So that is also specifically called as a legal service. Okay. So the last will be like here you can see the last one 30 digits. So it should end with the last two digits will be describes the details nature of the services. So the last word the last number should be 13. Here the middle number should be 80 to 82. And here the first digit should be 99. Okay, this is how you're going to configure. And here you can see that legal document for the patent. So here means particularly what it means. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Patent means what? Patent means hello. Patent. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
ಹೇಳಿ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Okay, so patents is nothing that I can say that who innovated aeroplane? Hello. ಏನ್ರು ಬೇಗ ಪಟ್ ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಇನೋವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನ?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರು ಅದು? ಯಾರಿದು? Who told this answer? Evangelina?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what he says. Right, brothers? Am I right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So there will be the patents. So as well as so what they are innovated are goods. But what will the thing will happen? So we will be getting a benefited that only one aeroplane they innovated. But what other people did? So they have started with the varieties of jets as well as they have innovated other stuffings. Am I right? But
Yes.
the patent will be who? The owner as well as the
Right.
main right,
Right,
brothers.
brother.
Okay, so that will be the patent meaning. So here you can see patent will be like specifically any society related if you want to provide any society related things or a technical related things or any innovation related things means it will comes under the legal document for the patent. Okay, so just take it as example property. So it will be the patent for that particular land. Am I right? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So in that particular things, if you want to make any kind of document verification or a document related issues, if you are facing means, so you can go ahead with the, you can like if you're dealing with that particular, and also I can just say it as if you're given any rental house for anyone. Okay, that is also services, right? So that, but I'll be the patent for that, but somebody will be using that. But I'll be collecting I'll be charging a service tax. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what, in that situation you will be using 13 digits in the last. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what the example for HSN and SSC. So here you have a case study for this. Resort traders engaged in the business for the trading men's or a boy shirts is a registered suppliers in Kerala. Okay, is a making a taxable supplies and required to file the monthly GST 1. He makes supplies of following goods, identify the HSN code of the product to be disclosed. So if HSN code for the men's or a boy's shirts is 06205, men's or boys shirts will be like a wool or a fine animal hair, and men's or a boy's shirt will be cotton. So here you can see that 6205. What it indicates? Hello. Okay, fine. Let us go for the answer. You can see here. Men's or a boys of a wool for or a fine animal hair means it will start with the 62051100. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Can you see here? So actually it won't come this much. So you'll be having only 4 digits. Okay. So 6205 or a 6 digits also you can based on the product. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 62051. So when it is come to, already I have explained you all here. Heading and handkerchief things means. Go through this. Take a snapshot of this. So normal clothing and accessories means what will be the code? What will be the code?
62.
Yes, it will be for 62051 as well as 62052 because it's a second item as well as it's a first items for the whatever the cloth it may be. So they will be putting a HSN code by using 62051 and 62052. Okay. Did you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You guys want me to repeat once again? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here they have completed, they have given applicability of HSN. A registered person having like that person should be registered for this HSN code, okay? As well as turnover of more than 5 crores. If he is dealing with the more than 5 crore means, so preceding financially. In the previous year, if you're getting a more than 5 crore means, obviously he has to register as well as 6 digit for HSN, as already I have told you all that 6 digits for HSN codes must be declared in every tax invoices issued by the taxpayer under GST B2B and B2C. So if you're dealing with the B2B and B2C means obviously you'll be going ahead with the 6 digits. Understood?
Yes,
You'll become
Yes,
a
ma'am.
you'll become a seller for the business also, and you'll become a seller for the customer also. So customers also come directly and they can purchase, as well as business also they can come and they can purchase. So if that is the case means you can use the 6 digits, okay? And turnover is less than 5 crores. If it is the more than means you'll be using 6 digits, and if it is less than 5 crore means you'll be for the preceding year, okay? For the preceding financial year means you'll be using how much? 4 digits of HSN code must be declared in every tax invoices issued by the taxpayer under GST in B2B. Here only 4 digits will be taken for only B2B, business to business. When it is comes to 6 digits, it's more than 5 crores means you'll be dealing with the B2B as well as the B2C means you'll be dealing with the 6 digits. Understood? One thing you just understood, guys. Understand, guys. The thing is, if you are dealing with in the preceding year, you got more than 5 crore means the profit means obviously you can go ahead with the B2B as well as a B2C, and that will be indicate 6 digits of HSN code. When you're going for the below 5 crore means, or you can go ahead with the 4 digits. Only you'll be dealing the manufacturer, so they will be dealing B2B, business to business. The transaction will take place. So there you can use only 4 digits. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood. So this is what the thing. So okay, GST registrations. Let us go with this format of GST. You can see that first 2 digits will be state code. Please make a note. First 2 digits will be state code, which 22. Which state is this? Hello? 22. Okay, don't worry. It's a Chhattisgarh. Okay, so Chhattisgarh thing. So for Karnataka, what is the code? GST code? It's a 29. Okay, so after the session, you can just take a course from the Google or a Chat GPT, and you can just go ahead with the brush up. Okay, so next will be your permanent account number, your PAN number. Till here you'll be having a PAN number. So if you're dealing with the company means obviously I'll be taking your PAN number. In the center it will come. And next 1. So entity, the number of the same PAN holder in a state. So it indicates with the entity. Entity means what? According to your. Hello guys. If ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನ್ರೋ? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
ಮತ್ತೇನು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? ಪರ್ಸನ್
Or organization.
No. Yes, come on, guys. Okay, fine. Entity is nothing that company or any individual states. Okay, so for each and every state will be having that unique entity codes. Okay, so still we have 9 digits for that. Okay, one which indicates for the one start with the specific one state, and second and third or a fifth, like these are the things which will be going to follow with the each and every states. Okay, so that is what the thing. So we have example for 27, it's for Maharashtra. Am I right? It's a code. Okay, digit 1 to 2 will be will be considering as a state code. Hello guys. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me tell you one more thing. So now you can see that 22 here. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 22 means it indicates. So which code? Here they have particularly they have given 1. 1 to 2 means it will be the Maharashtra. So it will be considered for the Maharashtra. So Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra will be in the same location. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be indicate as a 1. For 1 and 2 will be the same thing. And when it's come for the 3 to 12 means So they will be having a different varieties of based on the states wise. They will be going to bifurcate, and they will be providing a GST number based on each and every states. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So like it will be like if you are registered for the GST, or if you are registered for the PAN means, so each and every state will be giving their own unique codes. So that is what the thing. And here you can see that alphabet Z by the default. So any alphabet will come by default. So if you are registered for GST portal means, by default they'll create these are the things. And 5 will be check some digits. So checksum digits, it's nothing that to verify the accuracy of the GST. Okay, so accuracy to maintain that. So by default 5 will be there. Okay. Understood, guys? Anyone have any doubts? Okay, fine. So this is how the GST format look like. Any doubts still here? Okay, we have one case study. So Rajesh runs a retail stores in Kochi, Kerala within the sales both goods and services. So his total turnover is 25 lakhs. Rajesh seeks to your advice whether he needs to register for GST, and what is the consequences of not register for GST? What is your answer, guys? What will be your answer? Hmm? Hello, guys. And one more thing I can say for the GST entity number, if you are registered for the first time, means it will be 1. And if you are registering the same with the same PAN number, if you are registering, if you are dealing with the other company, just take it as an example. Now I'll be manufacturing mobiles. So next I'll go ahead with the manufacturing something called dresses. Okay, so if that is a thing, as well as I'll be using a same PAN number, means automatically the entity number will also going to change. Okay, it will become second. And how many business will be going to start at based on the same number? If you're using the same number means, so that is will be the different number will be comes here. So that is what NTC already I have told you that. So company, okay, any organization, any individual organization which deals with the PAN number means, obviously, so it will be by default, it will come as a, it will going to change number. Okay, understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for this case study, what is the answer? Whether he has to register for GST, or what is the thing if he not means, what is the consequences he will be going to occur in the future time? Okay, for that answer, let us go with the answer. The GST registration threshold limit varies based on the type of the supply and the state. In this business is registered in Kerala, the threshold limit for the GST registration is rupees 20 lakhs for the services and rupees 40 lakhs for the goods. So here 20 lakhs for the services and 40 lakhs for the goods. Am I right? So how much is getting? 25 lakhs. Whether it's liable, goods and services both. Huh? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you can see that 20 lakhs as well as services for the 40 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Already he has excluded with the 25. So according to your case study, he is excluded with the 25 turnover. Then he has to, in this case, since Raji's business involves both the goods and services, both the things he has involved. So if the total turnover exceeds rupees 20 lakhs, already 5 lakhs extra he has getting, so exceeded. So it is already exceeded. So in that situation, he has to register for the GST. And if the total turnover is less than 20 lakhs, means he does not need to register for the GST. Understood? So if it is exceeded more than 25,000, 20,000 means he has to register. If it's getting below that means 19 lakh, 18 lakh and all means in no need of registering for GST.
Ma'am,
Understood?
one doubt.
Yes, pa?
Ma'am, 25 lakhs, he got the profit, right, ma'am?
For whom?
Rajesh. He got 25 lakhs
Total
turnover.
turnover, not a profit, turnover.
Okay.
But
from where the 40 lakhs will?
Is dealing with the both goods and services, not only specifically is going with the goods. So here they have mentioned that particularly. So registration 20 lakhs for the services and 40 lakhs for the goods. Am I right? So here both the things also included. So 20, it should be actually according to them. So it's which should be 20 lakhs. So if it is more than 20 lakhs, if he's paying it, if he is getting the turnover means he has to pay the tax. If he is getting below that means he is not supposed to pay the tax. Supposed to, like, he should not register. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what the thing. Okay, rest of the things we'll discuss tomorrow's session. So any doubts for anyone with any concepts? Guys, little bit it will be tricky, but please try to understand that, okay? So after the session or after the classes, so after I'll be going to upload the videos, go through each and every videos and understand that. And if you did not understand this, please let us know. And please to go to e-learnings videos also. And presently what and all the changes has done in the GST portal, as well as any new updations are there, just check one in the Google and you guys can update me tomorrow. Now we have there is a slab changes in the slab rates, so you can go with the slab rates and check once. And please, while coming tomorrow, you will be going to say me which are the slab rates as removed from the present, like a previous slab rates, and what it indicates, and what are the things is added in each and every slab rates. So these are the stuffings you're going to tell me tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, guys. So now I'll be going to wind up the session. See you all tomorrow with the GST concept, same concepts, but we'll do the continuation. Okay, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So thank you. Enjoy your day. See you all tomorrow. Take care.
Thank you.
Yes. Bye bye.